All right. So to tighten the chain or loosen the chain, you're going to need a 17 millimeter, possibly an 18 millimeter wrench. You're going to need a 14 millimeter. I took off the chain guard just to make it a little bit easier to see. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your 14 millimeter here, and on the other side, I'm going to put your 17 millimeter right here. And I don't know, I've got these weird wrenches that have this cutout. I don't know what those are called, but the 17 works on that. So you're going to hold this one in place, and then you're going to loosen up on the other side. Okay. Now, you're going to need a 10 millimeter and a 12 millimeter. What you want to do is use the 10 and loosen up the first nut on here. That. And then you take your 12 and you'll tight. So right is going to make the chain get tighter, left will make it less tight. And so if you watch, okay, so we're going to watch the chain here. Tightening it. You see that's tight. So I'm going to back it back down now. You'll see it tightens up. And you loosen it out. And where you want to be with it is 1.25 inches of movement, or 30 millimeters, whatever that is. I'm at about 260, 290. That's about the right spot there. You need to make sure that you tighten both sides. There are these little notches here. And so you want to make sure that this side has the same number of notches as the other side. See it down there. So you want to make sure you have the same amount showing, so your wheel's aligned. And then after you get it all where you want it to be, then you're going to want to tighten this little locking nut on and go 10 inches from there. And you may need to hold the larger one keep it from spinning while you do that.